Let me take you aboard one of Royal Caribbean's most iconic vessels, the Voyager of the Seas. This ship has been making waves since 1999, and after more than 2 decades at sea, she continues to deliver memorable cruise experiences for thousands of passengers each year. What makes this vessel particularly interesting is how it revolutionized the cruise industry when it first launched, introducing features that seemed impossible on a floating hotel. The Voyager of the Seas belongs to Royal Caribbean's Voyager class, which means you are getting a tried and tested cruise experience that has been refined over many years. With a gross tonnage of approximately 137,276 and the ability to carry over 3,000 passengers, this is definitely what you would call a mega ship. The crew of around 1,185 members work around the clock to ensure everyone has a fantastic time on board. When it comes to accommodations, the Voyager of the Seas offers something for every budget and preference. The interior staterooms are compact but efficiently designed, measuring around 140 to 170 square feet. These rooms might not have windows, but they come with all the essential amenities you need for a comfortable stay. The beds can be configured as twins or converted to a queen, and you will find a flat-screen TV, mini fridge, safe, and climate control in every room. If you prefer natural light and ocean views, the ocean view staterooms are a step up from the interior cabins. These rooms range from 170 to 195 square feet and feature windows that let you watch the world go by. Some of these windows might have partially obstructed views due to the ship's design, but you still get that connection to the ocean that many cruisers crave. For those who want their own private outdoor space, balcony staterooms are the way to go. These accommodations range from 195 to 235 square feet and include a private balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening cocktail while taking in the sea breeze. The balcony seating allows you to have your own little slice of paradise without competing for deck chair space. The suites on Voyager of the Seas take luxury to another level. Junior suites offer around 290 square feet of space with separate sitting areas and balconies. The larger grand suites provide even more room to spread out, and suite guests can enjoy perks like butler service and priority embarkation. These accommodations are perfect for special occasions, or when you simply want to treat yourself to extra comfort and space.
Dining aboard the Voyager of the Seas is an adventure in itself, with options ranging from casual buffets to elegant specialty restaurants. The main dining room, called the Grande, serves classic American continental cuisine with multiple courses available twice each evening.
The atmosphere is elegant yet relaxed, and the menu features everything from perfectly cooked steaks to fresh seafood dishes. The service here follows traditional cruise dining standards with assigned seating times. For more casual dining, the Windjammer Cafe operates as the ship's main buffet restaurant. This venue serves international cuisine throughout the day, offering breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. The variety is impressive, with different stations featuring everything from Asian stir-fries to Italian pasta dishes. The casual atmosphere makes it perfect for families with children or anyone who prefers to dine on their own schedule. The specialty restaurants on board require additional fees but offer elevated dining experiences. Chops Grill serves as the ship's steakhouse, specializing in prime cuts of meat and fresh seafood. The filet mignon and lobster tail are particular standouts that many guests rave about. Giovanni's Table brings rustic Italian flavors to the ship with family-style sharing plates and authentic pasta dishes that transport you straight to a Roman trattoria. Izumi offers fresh Japanese cuisine including sushi, sashimi, and hot dishes prepared by skilled chefs. The sushi is surprisingly fresh for a cruise ship and the presentation is beautiful. Cafe Promenade provides a more casual option for coffee, pastries, and light snacks throughout the day, perfect for that afternoon pick-me-up or late-night treat. The pool areas on Voyager of the Seas cater to different preferences and age groups. The main family pool area includes splash zones and water features that keep children entertained for hours. The pool deck can get quite busy during sea days, especially when families are looking for fun activities. The atmosphere is lively and energetic, with pool games and music adding to the festive mood. For adults seeking a more peaceful experience, the solarium offers an adults-only retreat with a dedicated pool area. This space features whirlpools, hot tubs, and comfortable seating areas where you can relax without the excitement of children playing nearby. The glass-enclosed design provides protection from wind while still allowing plenty of natural light. The outdoor sun decks provide ample space for sunbathing with numerous loungers available throughout the ship. Cabanas can be reserved for those wanting extra privacy and comfort, though these premium spots come with additional fees. The deck areas offer beautiful ocean views and are perfect for reading, napping, or simply enjoying the sea air. Activities aboard the Voyager of the Seas go far beyond typical cruise ship offerings. This vessel was actually the first cruise ship to feature an ice skating rink, which remains one of its most unique attractions. Professional ice shows are performed regularly, and guests can even try skating themselves during designated times. The rock climbing wall presents another signature feature that challenges guests of all skill levels. The sports facilities include a full-size basketball court, mini golf course, and comprehensive fitness center. The gym is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment. Group fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, and Zumba are offered daily, giving guests plenty of options to stay active while cruising. Entertainment options are extensive, with Broadway-style productions performed in the main theater each evening. These shows feature talented performers, elaborate costumes, and impressive staging that rivals land-based productions. Comedy acts, live music performances, and guest lectures provide additional entertainment throughout each day. The Vitality Spa offers a full range of treatments and wellness facilities for guests looking to pamper themselves during their cruise. Massages, facials, and body treatments are available, along with thermal suite facilities including saunas, steam rooms, and hydrotherapy pools. The spa environment is serene and relaxing, providing a welcome escape from the busier public areas of the ship. Wellness programs extend beyond the spa, with various classes and activities designed to promote health and relaxation. The thermal suite requires an additional fee, but provides access to specialized facilities that many guests find worth the extra cost. Spa opening hours are generous, typically running from morning until late evening to accommodate different schedules. Family cruising is clearly a priority on Voyager of the Seas, with extensive facilities designed specifically for younger guests. Kids clubs are organized by age groups, starting with toddlers and progressing through kids and tweens. These supervised programs include games, crafts, educational activities, and themed events that keep children engaged while parents enjoy some adult time. Teen lounges provide dedicated social spaces with video games, music, and activities specifically tailored to teenage interests. The staff running these programs are trained to work with different age groups and create age-appropriate entertainment. Babysitting services are available for an additional fee, allowing parents to enjoy evening dining or entertainment. Family-friendly stateroom configurations can accommodate larger groups comfortably, with options for connecting rooms or suites with sofa beds. Many families appreciate the flexibility these arrangements provide, especially when traveling with multiple generations or larger family groups. The Voyager of the Seas typically sells Caribbean itineraries from ports like Port Canaveral in Florida or the Bayonne area near New York City. Eastern and Western Caribbean routes are most common, ranging from 4 to 14 nights depending on the season and specific itinerary. Popular destinations include Cozumel, Jamaica, the Bahamas, and the Cayman Islands. Shore excursions range from cultural tours and beach days to adventure sports and snorkeling experiences. Royal Caribbean offers officially organized excursions, but guests can also explore independent options at each port. The variety of available activities means there is something for every interest level, from relaxed sightseeing to adrenaline-pumping adventures. Cocoque Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas is often included in itineraries and provides a controlled beach experience with organized activities and amenities. This destination allows the cruise line to offer a premium beach day experience without the variables that come with public ports. Overall, the Voyager of the Seas represents solid value in the mega ship cruise market. The ship shows its age in some areas despite recent refurbishments, but the core experience remains strong. Families particularly appreciate the variety of activities and dining options, while couples can find romantic spots and adult-only areas when they want them. The service aboard is generally excellent, with crew members who are friendly and attentive to guest needs. The entertainment quality is high, and the dining options provide good variety, even if some venues require additional fees. The ship can feel crowded during peak seasons, particularly around the pools and main dining areas during popular times. What truly sets Voyager of the Seas apart from competitors is its historical significance and innovative features that were revolutionary when first introduced. The ice skating rink remains unique among cruise ships, and the rock climbing wall was groundbreaking when it first appeared. These features, combined with the ship's proven track record, create a cruise experience that balances innovation with reliability. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.